Hello wonderful people, welcome back to another wonderful video. So guys, if you are looking towards growing your channel and taking your channel to the next level, most especially in this new year 2025, make sure you sit back, relax and watch this video till the end, okay? Because I'm going to be talking about a particular feature which a whole lot of people keep missing out on, okay? So guys, without wasting much time, let us dive right into the video. Now, as a YouTuber, there are so many things you have to put in place to actually get YouTube to start recommending your videos and start pushing out your videos to the relevant audience, okay? There are so many things you have to do. One of such, which I'm going to be talking about today, is known as playlists. Yes. Now, what is a YouTube playlist? For those that do not know, a YouTube playlist is a particular feature that involves collection of videos which can either be arranged either by theme or criteria. What do I mean by this? This simply means that you can decide to arrange a particular collection of your videos in a particular place so that once anybody comes to your channel, they can just binge watch those videos, okay? For instance, if you are the kind of person that talks about how to grow a YouTube channel, or maybe you talk about how to develop yourself, and so on and so forth, you can actually create a particular playlist, just like the way you create a folder and put a particular thing into a particular folder. You can actually create a playlist. One playlist can contain how to grow your YouTube channel, the other playlist can contain how to develop yourself, maybe another playlist can contain vlogs, as the case may be. So that when people are looking for a particular thing on your channel, for instance, if they want to look at how to grow a YouTube channel on your channel, they can just go to the playlist and binge watch all the videos you have actually created in that playlist, okay? Now, what is the purpose of a playlist? A playlist helps people to discover your videos. Yes, it helps them to discover your videos and equally encourages them to watch more. All right, it equally helps the channel owner to grow their audience, okay? Yes, because it's a means of engaging your audience. All right, so when anybody comes across your channel and they see your playlist, they can just click on it and watch all the videos you have there, okay? One good thing about those playlists is that if you have a playlist, even if you post a particular video, once that video finishes playing, the next video can just play on. Do you get? Like, the very important thing about playlist is that it plays in sequence, okay? As one is finishing, the next one is playing. As that one is finishing, the next one is playing. So you see that it's a very, very important feature. This is one of the greatest things that can help your channel or your videos to start being recommended, all right, by YouTube, okay? So guys, right now I'm gonna be taking us to the YouTube studio in order to show us the practical terms, or in practical ways, how to create a YouTube playlist, okay, which will help your channel to start growing, okay, which will help YouTube to start recommending your channel and start recommending your videos, okay? So let's move to the studio. So guys, as usual, we'll be going through Google. So when you click on Google, you're going to be typing studio.youtube.com, okay? Once you type, it is going to lead you to the YouTube studio. That's the desktop site of the studio, not the app. Okay, so after typing this, my studio is actually opening right now, so it's leading me directly to my studio. So now my studio is open, okay? So for you to create a playlist, what you're going to do is to click on your content. Yes, I just click on content right now. So we're going to be choosing a particular video. So for instance, let's use this first video, okay? I'm going to be clicking on the editing sign. Yeah, so once you click on this editing side, it's going to open and bring out the video details, as you can see, okay? So you scroll down immediately after the thumbnail, you're going to be seeing playlist, okay? So click on the playlist. As you can see, I have some playlist here already, okay? So what you do is just to go down, you see this new playlist. So you just click on this new playlist, okay? Once you click on this new playlist, you can see it's going to bring out create a new playlist, okay? So you have to choose a title, the title of your playlist. For instance, maybe you want to write YouTube tips, okay? So you type in YouTube tips, okay? That's just what I typed in. for my title. Maybe that's where you want to keep this playlist is for your YouTube tips. Then under description, you give a description of what the particular playlist is talking about. Okay, for instance, YouTube tips, you can write here, you're going to see all the YouTube tips you need, just as the case may be. So you describe what your playlist is all about there. The next thing is to choose the visibility and sort order. Okay, so you have to select public. All right, so once you select public, by the right, you see this create, so you click on create. Okay, once you click on create, as you can see, it has been created here, YouTube tips and the rest of my playlist. Okay, then you move to the upper right hand of your studio and save. Okay, you click on save. I will not be clicking on save because I already have a playlist for my YouTube tutorials. Okay, so this is exactly how to create your playlists. If you want to still add another folder, another playlist, you still go back to that playlist icon and click on new playlists and still follow the process. So guys, I believe all have seen how to create a YouTube playlist. Okay, endeavor to create that playlist today. Okay, you can create as much playlist as you want. Okay, you can create one, you can create two, you can create three, as the case may be. All right, create a playlist, okay, so that your videos can start being pushed out and recommended by YouTube. All right, so guys, I believe you all have found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, please do well to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment in the comment section, and share this video, okay, so that more people can get to see those good news. All right, so guys, till I see you guys next time, bye for now.